Hello, I'm Dillon Hoktkamp, and here's my audience. Yeah, here you go. My major has a 50% dropout rate nationwide according to the ASEE. Can you guess what it is? You guys are correct. It is engineering. I'll inform you about what it takes to be an engineer today. And currently, I am a mechanical engineering major at Iowa State University, and I'm working at my second internship as an engineering intern. Understanding the class's jobs and future for engineers will give you a better perspective about what it's like to be an engineer. So classes at Iowa State, the core ones are calculus and physics, and that's usually where it gets the freshman at. Coming in is very hard workload. Once you pass at least your first year, the dropout rate is significantly lower. And then when you get into your junior year, senior year, you start getting into actual core engineering classes like thermodynamics, heat transfer, and machine design. And with all that classes, it comes homework. About half of engineering students spend more than 20 hours per week, according to the USA Today studying. And that's quite a bit. It's half a full-time job while you're doing full schoolwork. And that amounts to less social time. So let's get some jokes about engineers not having friends or social life. And seeing what classes engineers have to take helps understand what kind of jobs they can have. Internships are pushed a lot during school. You can get internships even once you graduate to feel out what kind of job and where you want to work. And that leads to real jobs. When you work an internship, it'll get your foot in the door. They know how you work, and you can start to work there full time. And as an example, at Case, New Holland, and Burlington, I worked with some design engineers, and they work to design backhoes. So you look at the backhoe, it has many different functions, and they have to think of how all of these different parts are going to work together and design each part individually also, because each part has an individual function that also comes into the whole machine. And when you get your engineering degree, you actually can have a wide range of jobs. So you come with a Bachelor of Science degree, and you can really do, even though if you get a mechanical engineering degree, you can work as maybe a manufacturing engineer. Let's check out what an engineer has in the future. A future in the mechanical engineering field has a high pay, $87,000 per year median salary according to Forbes. And also, engineers' jobs have grown 7% between 2010 and 2014 according to Forbes. And that's a really good field to get into with growth and high pay that attracts a lot of people, but that also they drop out because of the hard classes. And once you get your engineering degree, you can go back to school and possibly go to a law school, or a lot of engineering schools have the concurrent master's classes with business, get a business administration, or you could just go back and get a master's or doctorate in engineering. You can make a lot of money that way and also become a professor at a place like Iowa State. And in conclusion, I've covered the makings of an engineer by explaining the coursework, jobs, and future that engineers have. And having heard what I've talked about today, I hope you've learned some information about engineers that you didn't know before. Thank you. All right, here is my audience. All right, have a good day.